In a world of nature and misery. The ocean waves, its impeccable beauty in the glory of the atmosphere to affirm. The inhabitants of the sky wonder and wings. Stay tuned as you enjoy the awesome documentary of different birds, features and habitats. Ensure to like, comment and subscribe. The cattle egrets, they are small white herons often seen perching on large animals such as elephants, buffaloes, or cattle. They do this to eat insects and parasites that are found on the animals' bodies, a great example of mutualism in nature.